everyone, did you know that each type of animal has a different respiratory system and apparatus? There are animals that breathe using lungs, gills, skin, or trachea. For further explanation, I, Nurul Syami Ramadhani, will explain the respiratory system of various types of animal. The first is the mammalian respiratory system. Mammals are the term for animals that suckle. There are two types of mammals, namely land mammals, for example cows and cats, and water mammals, for example dolphins. The respiratory organ of mammals are the lungs. When water mammals inhale air, they put their heads out to the surface of the water. Water mammals have a hole on the top of their head which functions as a nose. Next is the amphibian respiratory system. Amphibians are animals that can live in two realms, namely on land and in water. An example of an amphibious animal is a frog. The breathing apparatus used by small and adult frog is different when they are still tadpoles. Frog breath use gills. There are three pairs of gills on toothless and are located on the head. When frogs grow up and live on land, their respiratory organs are lungs. At certain times, frogs also breathe through their skin, which is why frog skin always look wet, because it has wet skin, which is why frog breathe oxygen. Bird respiratory system. Bird's breathing apparatus is the lungs. A part of that, birds have a special apparatus in the form of hair sacs, or often called air bladders. The function of air bladders is to store air that is used when birds fly. The air bladders will inject and remove air from and into the bird's body. When the wings are flapped down, the air comes out of the air pockets. Earthworm respiratory system. Earthworms breathe with the surface of their bodies. Earthworms have thin skin consisting of many point blood vessels. This allows the worms to absorb oxygen and expel carbon dioxide directly. Worms need a moist place so they can breathe properly. Reptile respiratory system. Reptiles breathe with the lungs of animals which include reptiles including lizard, crocodile, snake, and monitor lizard. Reptiles live on land, but there are also those that live in water, for example, crocodiles. Crocodiles breathe with lungs, but crocodiles have nostrils that can be closed when in water, so that water cannot enter the lungs. Fish respiratory system. Fish breathe with four pairs of gills point located on the right and the left on the head. Fish have a swim bladder which functions to store oxygen and regulate up and down movements. Several types of fish that live in mud such as catfish and snakehead have labyrinths. The labyrinths function to store oxygen reserve. Insect respiratory system. The respiratory system organ of insect is the trachea. The trachea is a fine breathing vessel that covers all parts of the insect body. The trachea opens into spiracles, namely holes located on the left and right side of the spiral body, which function as a way for air to come in out. Therefore, the spiracles are always open. The point at which oxygen circulates in insect is not through the blood vessel but through the trachea. The point at which the insect enters and exits the trachea is caused by the regular movement of its body muscles. That is my explanation of the animal respiratory system. And see you!